Alright, thank you for joining in today's video. This is Havilah Academy, and we're presenting to you today PlotSenseAI Hackathon 2025. Alright, if you've not heard much about the hackathon before, just stay tuned throughout this video and I'm going to be introducing it to you. If you've been part of our community, it's a delighted to have you, and just stay through the video to understand better what the hackathon is all about. Alright, so first of all, PlotSense is an AI company formed by a couple of data scientists, data engineers, who mostly work out of the UK, and they decided to come out to help new data engineers get data insight and analytics. That's why they built PlotSense. And after building PlotSense, they wanted to get more persons to use their products, adoption and stuff like that. So they decided to organize a hackathon. So what are the hackathon goals? First is to bring together developers, researchers and data professionals. And the focus is on AI, machine learning and data visualization. So Havilah Academy is a place where we talk about AI, we help developers connect, we connect people to opportunities, and connect researchers with companies where they get to work together to build meaningful solutions. So for this hackathon, we are majorly focusing on AI and machine learning and data visualization, which is pushed forward by PlotSense. PlotSense is a data visualization protocol that uses AI, and this is basically currently in a Python library, so you can use it for your data visualization. And majorly, we want to build impact and explainable solution. All right. So this the workshop is going to run for 3 days. After the 3-day workshop, you're going to be allowed to submit your hackathon projects 1 month after the 21st. So you have 21st of September, okay, and you have 21st of October. So for the prices, I think we have 2 tracks. We have the £400 track and the £200 track, okay, and you get to do a submission, all right, in a month's time. We'll also be releasing a video on how the submission should be done and what we expect by the time you submit. Please make sure you follow the rules. Follow the rules if you want to win. Read every single part of what you're doing. You can code a lot of wonderful things that might not win just because you didn't follow the rules. Follow the rules, and then don't worry, the rules are very simple, so you don't have to be worried about that. So it's just taking your time to go through everything, right? Because there are some tasks you have to do that necessarily are social media tasks. So just make sure you do that too. All right, so participation. All right, to participate in this hackathon, you need to register, and the hackathon is being hosted on Luma. You just need to register using the link, and you get a confirmation email. All right, once you use it, you also get a Discord server link. So this is the link here. All right, all you just need to do is to scan this code, or you can. I'll be linking this in the description for this video. All right, so once you open this in Google Chrome, all right, this takes you to the Luma page, and you get to register for the hackathon, and then that's just it. All right, so we're excited to have you on board. Let's build, learn, and push the boundaries of AI together. All right, so once you register, you should get the Discord link, and then you should join the community. That's where we'll be doing our workshops and many other support. You also get crime support from the PlotSense team. All right, and that's where many other information will be shared. And if you've got any question, you can ask right on that server. Thank you so much.